Now, for some breaking news, a picture of a suspected Transport for London staff member smoking cannabis at work has gone viral today via Twitter. The man wearing a TfL uniform was snapped smoking outside High Barnet tube station by a passenger who was concerned for his welfare and the welfare of fellow passengers. Anti-drug campaigners, Talk to Frank, are asking for the staff member to be dismissed immediately and more accurate drug testing to be done at organisations like TfL. Joining me in the studio is TfL's Head of Occupational Health, Rikard Moen. Have you dismissed the tube driver?
This particular tube driver or any tube driver?
This tube driver who was caught smoking?
Well, that's a confidential until we've actually gone through due process, but certainly the internal policy, we have a zero tolerance policy when it comes to drugs and alcohol in the workplace. And after having been through due process and the test has been confirmed, he would likely be dismissed.
What is your policy when it comes to incidents like this?
We have zero tolerance. We have a very strong and robust drug and alcohol programme, which we test randomly, 5% of the workforce, and certainly in incidents like this, which is what we'd call for cause, would be tested and through a robust process, confirmed by laboratories and by our medical department, and if it's proved to be unequivocally positive, they would be dismissed.
Well, why didn't a member of staff actually notice the incident? It was a member of the public that actually raised awareness.
I'm not sure. I'm not aware of the particular case. I mean, that would cause me concerns because TfL's number one priority is safety. We are a transport industry. We've got to make sure we look after our customers, but actually we also have to look after our employees as well. You know, we have a very caring approach, and the employees of TfL, they know this. They know that we have a drug and alcohol testing program and the repercussions of it. But also, if they are we're also a caring employer, which means that if somebody's having a drug and alcohol problem, they can actually declare themselves confidentially to occupational health, and we will provide them a drug and alcohol treatment service to help them through that.
You say you're providing a drug and health service, but actually your counselling to staff budget is actually reduced by half. How will you deliver this?
Well, actually, the counselling service is separate from a drug and alcohol treatment service. So our drug and alcohol treatment service hasn't had any reductions in finances. So it's providing the strong, robust service that we have. On average, we are seeing between 50 and 60 employees every year for drug and alcohol dependency problems. We have a fantastic department, world-breaking department, and our success rate is after 5 years, 70% of those employees are still in the same job when they came to our service. But on the other side, we're harsh but fair. If somebody is tested positive, then they will need to be dealt with accordingly.
Great. Thank you.